Extension. Itong science laboratory po na ito ay hindi lang po dito sa school ninyo ginawa. In fact, I think this is the last school, no? A total of 15 schools. So ito yung pang-15 natin. So are you happy to have your very own computer-assisted learning system? So the city government already provided all the equipment, no, the curriculum, and of course, the training of your teachers. All I am asking for you is for you to take care of the equipment. Make sure that you will use it properly. Can you promise that to me? Yes. Can you use it properly? Yes. Oh, because it's not only you will use it, but the next batch, no? So, ito pong programang ito ay hindi nagawa ni Mayor Lani, ng ako lang. So, we have to thank the City Council for Erwin Manalili, no? Councilor Erwin Manalili. So with that, I would like to thank each and every one of you again, and thank you to all the teachers. I want to greet you advance Teachers Day. Palakpakan nun natin yung mga teachers natin. Sherry, for your information, my mother-in-law, no, the mother of Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, is also an American. Sandra Schramm Cayetano from Michigan. So like you, and we want you to love the Philippines more, appreciate the Philippines more. I know that you'll be staying for another week, but I hope that in the future you will come back to the Philippines and explore the beautiful beaches, the nature, and the warmth of our people. So once again, thank you for your presence. We really appreciate it. Mr. Leo Ringen, thank you for bringing another friend of the city of Taguig in the person of Miss Sherry. More power to you. We wish you all the best. You are beautiful, and you have Taguig as your home here in the Philippines. Thank you. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Salamat po.
Alright, so thank you very much for that very wonderful good news from our Mayor of the City Government of Taguig. Okay, maraming salamat po. Guys, palapakan po ulit natin ang ating City Mayor. Okay. And of course, my apologies, sir.